These homemade anti-allergy lollipops contain the best antihistamine supporting herbs. They're easy to make and fun for adults and kids. Here's how they come together. You'll need 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons dried nettle leaf, 2 tablespoons dried elderflower, 1 cup of raw honey, and a silicone lollipop mold with sticks. Pour the water into a small saucepan and bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. Remove from heat and add the dried nettle leaves and elderflower. Let the mixture steep for 10 to 15 minutes or until the mixture changes color and becomes fragrant. Strain the herbs and reserve half a cup of the liquid. Pour the infusion and honey into a small saucepan, heat over medium-low heat until you reach the hard crack stage of 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your mixture reaches temp, remove it from heat and pour into a silicone lollipop mold. Be careful because it's very hot and sticky. Insert the sticks immediately and allow the lollipops to cool for at least 40 minutes before eating. Then remove them from a mold and store in a dark, cool place. If you live in a warm climate, store them in the fridge to keep them firm. For best results, consume your lollipops within 2 to 3 weeks of making.